But looking at it, Omami and San, Haruna Iddrisu is 1, Felix Kwakye Ofosu is 2, Okudzeto Ablakwa is 3. These 3 people, no, say NDC for me to consider Sanko for me and saying, say, be a moment lady party, no.
Me and Sana Obu boss, no. Okudzeto Ablakwa, Haruna Iddrisu, and the last one, Felix Ofosu, and a Felix Kwakye Ofosu, no. Omo me and San ka wo reti wo ma ho ananka wo be yi na pie na sabre se wo monitor NDC wo hwe NDC party no a unni mobi a obi particular person to be say and categories of people be do say we asmet wetimi abodi aka say we party ne de ne ba ebe a omo ye young said they work and vibrant omo energy
metimi aka ni bebe se me ensa
wow
me sha from the northern side in Haruna Iddrisu.
Okay.
He's somebody I think so very intelligent, Obi very humble, and looking at him, he'll be able to manage. Obi Okudzeto Ablakwa. He's somebody I also feel say or you'll be our credentials and or a lot of potentials will be to me as a son man. Then there is man, some cute average mind size be our central region or a friend of Felix something. Felix will be
Felix Kwakye Ofosu, government spokesperson.
Yes, honestly, will be trust me, he will be able to lead. At least for now, in the meeting, I can think of these 3 personalities. Yeah, they might have maybe or more issue a minimum, but looking at it, Omami and San, Haruna Iddrisu is 1, Felix Kwakye Ofosu is 2, Okudzeto Ablakwa is 3. These 3 people, no, say NDC for me to consider Sanko for me and saying, say be a moment lady party, no. Trust me, no, better saying say, Papa, or the saying, Obondi back, say,
Chief of Staff Julius Debra.
Oh no, only be brave.
Only 50s.
He has been in the system for a very long time. He's done so well for himself.
Yeah.
So I think there's such people, no.
No, so party no bunepa, including in those or more NPP side, no.
Yeah. And I will advise him say, I dare what me achieve in his life, no. Men find Hong Kong share presidential ambition.
Wow.
You see, many a times, no, I am not no me why you coincidental some of this ethical conscious. These young guys, I'm about Budi. Haruna Iddrisu is 1, Felix Kwakye Ofosu is 2, Okudzeto Ablakwa is 3. These 3 people, no, say NDC bit me consider me. If it's more age, you know, will form. It's not going to be bad.
Na to force no so and go for Bobo ni di say and on so central region side ho and we want
so I think say my follow ni kakra ebia finances more very good but me who say onye very good communicator.
Okay. Wow.
That's one side be but me who say the communication ya dey a pulling crop. And when it comes to political leadership say president again so be a very communicative.
Yeah, we timi kasa yi.
Nti ato forces yes. Binim say be our boy adwumenti na my see the no economy na the way economy. But for me, I feel say that side I the communication meaning so betimi I improve more and when you're younger a bit me about so betimi I improve on the communication how we communicate because my hand several times are on among for you debate or panel how we communicate and you're very convincing.
Okay.
Even though he might know everything in his mind, but putting everything out, the communication, yeah, there, I am a favorite.
Okay.
And until be a man for the campaign, he's a very wonderful guy. I think we're very intelligent.
Or very young,
economist, or a very good, or a young. And until a man for the campaign, yeah.
But me and Sana Obu boss, no. Okudzeto Ablakwa.
Yeah.
Haruna Iddrisu. And the last one, no. And a Felix Kwakye Ofosu, no. Omo me and Sana ka wo reti wo ma ho ananka wo be yi na pie.
Okudzeto Ablakwa.
Oh, you're foreign affairs minister.
No. I have followed him for a very long time. That guy is somebody or a basic. Basically, so or her baby or one. No, what to who?
I don't know. So, I say for University of Ghana, mechanical school time, you know. What shall say for? But a bit more. I say now our NPP no by NDC.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
It doesn't matter. Say Kwakye. No party be man say no ba MPP ne me wa.
No correct.
No do me kwa benya here. Kwakye me kai say MPP for so I'm say more chairman ba could be okono.
I CP no CPP. I so one na daily guide any dia.
Even ba me kwa na according to sources kwa na say ne ba me no MPP from the beginning. So I don't think say we need a very important.
Freddie Blay no so CPP.
And I learned about me kwa say no different party and no ba.
And e bi mu say NDC no ba.
The whole point is say okay me training na say me na me go to me and me yanka me say Omumfama Okudzeto Ablakwa.
Okudzeto Ablakwa 44 years.
If you animu, only baby or young. So and that guy is very intelligent.
Okay.
And he had you main call on the constituency to her. But normally the BBO will be an Ofosu social media.
Yeah.
And look kind of comment now. He's doing so well.
Yeah, no pong na baton person so on.
Oh, he's doing so well. To be on no MP and the area at least what me see hono. It means a man or more opportunity. He'll be able to do more.
Wow. Na dey ntina bo Haruna Iddrisu today.
No, Haruna no say when it comes to politics there are aspects to be here. Onim law pa or very communicative.
Yeah.
And or very intelligent. So with these three aspects, you know.
As I am minority leader
system no. The anything no on so bet is anything no ember so be no so you're young sir. I think say Haruna is a very wonderful guy and I think say on so be to me aboa. I'm an NDC for no. So I'm per se omoye Ghana here such people no will be able to support.
Say wo share owura sie du nketi a tise ne dia ba no. Or 68 years.
Yeah.
And Julius Debran so 59.
59.
But wo de wo gidi say Harun openyi said nketia the record na kuta no de go fanko and Julius Debran so one fanko.
Yes.
Na young
this year say student get almost was saying 68. So you're 4 years ahead, which means obeko 70 saying 72.
71. Yeah.
I mean 72 no say who a private sector or public sector and
retirement.
So why trying to come and put more burden on yourself? See, people should understand say abrabo enye miracle too.
Okay.
Enye competition. What you doing?
Okay.
And until 60 years you say retirement no. Kakana was save no take time
and enjoy
and rest until you die.
Okay.
Because we be when you're 70 years. I feel now because an about 3 a.m. president. Oh sorry.
Yeah.
See, Papa, we were bro, Nanado.
And Nanado.
No, see, Nanado, I never know the same age, maybe 86 years.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's still there.
Okay.
Maybe I'm also best 76 or so.
Wow.
And I know how intelligent my father was.
Okay.
But I said, me kona menene kasa no kasa me say kaso be kasa dodo. You know why? By natural arrangement. Umfie no kwa animu a na wa adwan ho de ne bafom. Oh yeah. Yes. So umfie no kwa animu no. The organs in the body begins to malfunction.
Okay.
Until once adwan no na bafom. Until they say unya 60 years for retirement.
Okay.
They say you get ya wa bra. You've been around so many years where your petty leaders are up to now. Papa, what make it so much for yourself, not financially, but a papa. The best thing is a fat to her. Nothing actually when you still have the energy and guide the young people. Trust me, whoever lead the party, they will still give you that respect. Now, at the age of 75, over 3 a.m., and so we do Plaza House, near baby food, near your way, now move. You are killing your body.
Yeah, what is it
that you're looking for? Then, then.
Because a big cracker say a man panida than another than Kwakufa, the age in so can be tea, and a bimu say, or bimuka sentina went to me and perform to people's expectation. A day and the party na co-positioner or so tall from no, the nine
yes,
to 2 other baby.
80 years. With a mom, see what you Mrs. Here, she will do my way. Now, stress and pressure woman.
Yeah.
Even for 40 years. Now will be over 80 years, not the stress I work on her.
Near the Nina
Batos.
Etienne Kabe Udo Nana Diosu say, and Kaba flag bearership race in NDC. Young from Mobio, young.
Obia and Gacha from best 38 is up to best 45 years. That range.
Wow.
The energy is there. The energy is there. When you say yes, I have to walk up a bit of resting. Now one casa will bread or best could do breast swabba.
Who's up for Ghana?
See, I said, you should not make that mistake.
No, I don't cry the I am Crawford and Baby.
No, me say he should not make that mistake. And get to be on with you,
Matthias,
because NDC in the world, Bemu, and a very difficult say, pay to be or Bemu, nobody only 4 years. Ghana for no, you take it time and you take a decision.
Wow.
To the first 4 years, you know, we are no man, your class, and I'm because obey you know. The second 4 years, you know, you bet me to Obama. But the TN say the best thing is obey to me. A girl matter say, I have been a regional secretary for a very long time. My bear chairman, Petty no, my son, the other power. To say, see idea. me pese me rest.
Okay.
Nti no mrante na aba na ye wo gidi wo mu no me am pese me de me support emma emirum na omundim enimu na ye nnachi na ye guide omo. Trust him, that will be a beautiful achievement for him.
Wow.
Na emum oba as by contest enye within the NDC MPP. Now no maybe away in that there twam na man for kra na ye nyan wo mo afi no manyi no they will come and hear all those because trust me afi na oma oba be tag you with a lot of things. As an old man, leave when the applaud is loud. Sit back, guide the youth. Enjoy whatever little you have acquired. Remember Tanana didn't say any attempt did any all that.